So we have a beautiful faucet right here, but unfortunately, when you turn on the water, it's leaking. So we basically had a flood down here. So I called them and said, "Hey, I'm having a flood. I think I need a new pull-out thing." And they're like, "Well, I can order you a new pull-out thing, or give you a credit and go down to Home Depot and get a brand new one." I'm like, "Well, let's go get a new one." So Glacier Bay, this is the new one that we just got. Has a motion sensor that turns it on and off with LED technology. How cool is that? See where the arrows are? Just going to squeeze here and pull up. I already inserted the batteries. Very easy. And of course, turn off the water and remove the old faucet. And we're going to put everything in the hole there. All fits. Yes, it does. All right. So the sensor is on one side and this on the other. So you tell me, do you want this over on this side with the sensor over there, or do you want it to be this way with the sensor over on that side? That's it? All right. We are going to take this guy right here and these two things here. We're going to go underneath and put this together. And having a helper keep that nice and straight while we're screwing this in will be awesome. So we're putting this up here. We're going to chase it up with this nut and this connector. I'm going to hand thread it until it's snug and ask my partner, "Is it straight where you want it, baby?" She says yes. I'm going to put this up on here and then I'm going to snug this up. So I push the pipe up and I put a little screwdriver here to help me turn this nice and snug. There we go. Now we're putting this little protective cap on and we're just going to hand snug that. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to put this quick connector on. Actually, can you hold this? We're just going to, we got the threaded size, so we're just going to put this on here. No tools, we're just going to thread this on. Hand tight. Don't want to over tighten it. Oops. And that's pretty easy. And now we're going to connect this other side up here to that. Unless you have a control box, what we'll do is we'll just put this blue to that blue, which is yellow to yellow. Alright, so we're going to connect this. See, there's a little arrow here. We're going to connect this and push all the way down to that little O-ring. Can you see the O-ring right there? And then we're going to just screw this on. Hand tight, and there we go. We got that connected. Got another connection down here that we can connect. That's snapped in there. We're going to do the same thing on the top, so follow me. I'm going to put this up here and click. Yep, we got everything connected now. Green to green, yellow to yellow. Cables are connected. Just the bottom one isn't, so we need to connect this bottom one here to the battery pack. Yeah, just going to stick that 3 in there. Okay. See how it's a little cup. We're going to put it up against the wall. That's,
screw it too?
Now, I'm just going to put this here like that. Then connect the two cables together. Putting the weight on will be the easiest thing ever. Just slide the cable like that. Then this just slides like that. It's really easy. So now, let's turn this on. I wish it was touched too. But yeah, you adjust the, when it's on, you adjust the temperature to whatever way you want it. And then you turn it off like that. That's just brilliant. I love it. But if you have it off and you do it, you won't get anything. Gotta make sure that's on. And use this to turn it on and off. Alright. That's pretty cool. I love it. And let's check out the LED light. That is awesome. So brilliant. Anyways, hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have, please share it. Please subscribe if you haven't. And we will show you more how-tos very soon.